Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringo.10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for India Bulls Real Estate, IB Real EST. Okay, this is the ticker name and you're watching the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart of India Bulls Real Estate, and each candle represents 1 month. Okay, sorry, and these are all the technical indicators and their respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at this particular point, February 2016 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction, continuously making new highs. This is new high 1, this is new high 2. And after that, the stock went into a consolidation phase and again started its upward journey. But right now, it is undergoing some sort of negative phase right now. There is a reason for this, actually, to let you know actually why we are seeing these three red candles here. I need to take you to a different time frame, that is a day time frame. Right now we are in a monthly time frame. I'm taking your day time frame. Okay guys, see, this is the day time frame chart of India Bulls Real Estate, and here you can clearly see that the stock is in the negative, is undergoing negative super trend phase. Okay, you can clearly see this big red line here, right? Okay, this is the reason why in the last 3 months, including this month, this stock had been in the red phase. Continuously losing its price. Okay, as long as the stock is under this kind of trend, the stock will lose price and it will come down. And only once this kind of thing goes away and it enters into a positive trend, then only the stock will move in the upward direction. Okay, it's a clear cut white and black picture kind of thing. Okay, so I'm taking you back to the monthly chart right now. Okay, so that is the reason. So now the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. And relative strength of the stock had already peaked up. Now it is coming down. Direction strength is converging. It's bad sign. Stochastics, the slow line is on top of the fast line, and it's coming down again. Momentum is crashing. Price volume is constant. Balance of power and LRA are all in sync with each other. Slightly bullish, but the bearish zone is increasing, and Kopeck curve is showing that the stock is in bull zone. Okay, so this is the thing. This is the thing, guys. These are all the guiding points that we got, and all the guiding points are giving us almost negative signals. So this is the trend and this is the path pattern of the stock, and what I showed you in the day time frame is the reason why this particular stock had been continuously making losses in the past 3 months, including this month. Okay, so it is like a September, October, November. In September, this downfall started in September, October, and November. Okay, as long as the stock is under the influence of negative super trend mode in the day chart, this kind of we will see this kind of red candles in future also. Okay, so that is the thing. So the best thing is actually stock fundamentally, the fundamentals of the stock are good. It's a very good this thing, and one very good stock, and it's in the infrastructure domain. The point is the present government is giving huge boost to this housing and roads and all sorts of infrastructure, right? So this is the right time. This is the right time for this kind of industries, to zoom up. So I think this stock is being a popular, and earlier it has given huge gains to its investors. So considering all these things, this is still considered IB Real Estate is India Bulls Real Estate stock is a very good stock to consider for for a medium and long term investments. But at this moment, the situation is a little bit bad due to the stock coming under the influence of negative super trend mode. So what we do is, like, we will wait and watch, and once that once the stock comes out of the super trend, then at that juncture, at that just immediately after that, the transition phase, at that moment, if you invest, then immediately your investment will increase. That's what I think. Normally I do like that only, so I'm giving the same kind of suggestion. So otherwise, if you invest, then until the stock comes out of the negative super trend mode, you have to wait. Okay, and when it will come we don't know, so we just wait. And at the juncture, at the during the transition phase, the stock coming out of the comes out of the super trend, negative super trend, and enters the positive super trend mode. So at the initial phase of the initial phase of its entering into the positive super trend mode, that time if you invest, immediately your money, or the investment, start getting profits, generating profits for you. So that's what I think. That is the that's what normally I do also. So this is what I suggest. And so at this moment, regarding the medium and long term investments for the stock, I think it is better to wait and watch. So this is the conclusion, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.